Hello there, it's James from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm very pleased to show you our first electric car for sale. It is the Tesla Model 3 Performance. Now, this car's had two owners. It's done just over 45,000 miles. It's been very well looked after and it is in great condition. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. Okay, so here is the Tesla Model 3 Performance. Now this version has got the 82 kilowatt battery. Just going to walk you around it, see anything that I've seen on it, point that out to you so you know what to expect when you come here to see it. Now this model offers, I'll just zoom out slightly, 449 brake horsepower, 449. It's got nearly 1,000 Newton meters of torque, and it will do a top speed of 162 miles an hour. It's also got a 0 to 60 time of just 3.2 seconds. Now, if you're looking at this car, I'm sure you know everything about Teslas, but I'll just talk you through some of the extras that it's got inside. A fantastic specification, this car, but we'll do that once we jump inside. I just want to point out anything that I've seen on the front here. So this car has done 45,000 miles there or thereabouts, and it will be checked over by an independent workshop that we use to give it a safety check before we hand it over. Obviously electric cars don't really need any servicing needs, they just need their levels checked and topped up. It has recently had new tyres and the brakes will be checked prior to it being delivered. So there's a couple of minor marks here on the front. Tiny little stone chips, but just want to point them out ahead of you seeing the car. A couple there and there, but that's about it really, if I'm honest. I love this Tesla badge in carbon fibre. Get those on the performance ones like this. It's got LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. It's a panoramic roof, and it has got the autopilot functionality, this car, which is a subscription option. The wheels are absolutely beautiful. They're 20-inch performance alloys, this, with those red calipers. Again, this is, as I say, it's a dual motor performance model, this. Little cameras there on the side, you can see. Nothing down this side that stood out. It's in very good condition, this car. This wheel, excellent condition too. Recently had these new Michelin Pilot Sport tyres put on it, which are performance tyres. Around the back you have the carbon fibre boot spoiler, which is a addition for the performance models on these Teslas, and the dual motor badging. There is a parking camera and rear parking sensors. It's got front parking sensors too. 5-door model this. I'll show you inside in a moment. Just want to show you this tyre. Good condition. Red calipers at the back as well. Nothing sticks out on this side at all. And then this wheel, also good condition. So 5-door model. Just see, you can just press in there and it pops out the handle. Plenty of space inside. Nice leather interior. Very clean inside. 3 seat belts in the back, and Isofix points on both of those rear seats. Well, I'm just going to grab the key. Now the key for Teslas is actually a card. So you get 2 of these, but also you can have access to the car via an app. So once the new customer has got hold of this car, we will be transferring it via the app into your ownership, and you will be able to open the door with your phone. But at the moment you just hold it there. That's locked it. Press it there again, and that's opened it. The only way you know it's open is the wing mirrors come back out. So I'll just jump inside and show you the interior. Now, Teslas are dominated by this huge screen at the front here. What you need to do to start things up is you put the key card just there, foot on the brake, and there we go. We're fired up. Everything for the Tesla is controlled with this amazing screen. So as you can see there, you've got the navigation, where we're based at the moment. It does have Wi-Fi access to this car, and you can also have internet connectivity for a subscription fee. It's very easy to navigate through everything. This is the car button I've just pressed here, which lets you fold in the mirrors, like so. Fold them out again. Oh no, you can adjust the mirrors. You can adjust the steering wheel. You press that button and then you just use this button to move it up and down. You open the bonnet this way, you open the boot, and you also open the charging flap. So this has got around 300 miles of range. As you can see, it's nearly a full battery here. Currently showing 256 miles, but it is very cold outside at the moment. So obviously all of that is taken into account when it works it out. So you click on the charging there, you can see 256 miles on the dash. You would need to set up a payment method for you to be able to use the Tesla charging system, but you can just add that via this tablet here. This is the autopilot functionality. It is a paid for subscription. This is currently in place on this car, but I think it runs out towards the end of January. But it's something that you can pay to use. Navigation, you can just go back to the main screen. You have Spotify built in, so that uses your account once you're logged in. Obviously you need to put that in place. You can use Apple Music on it too. There's the Bluetooth ability to connect your phone, and then you can start playing music and answer calls, etc. And then you have Tesla Theatre, which is fantastic. Netflix, YouTube, which obviously you can use when you parked up, and it does that via the connectivity of the car once you've had that subscription enabled. It is a fantastic option. That's the rear view camera there. You've got the other cameras on either side. So I mean, the technology in this car is absolutely amazing. And as you can see from inside, it is in very good condition. The seats are very good. It's been beautifully looked after, and it is very, very good fun to drive this. Right, let me talk about some of the other bits. So this car has got an absolutely fantastic specification, as you've seen. There is so much to get involved with on this multimedia system. You just have to play with it, get used to it, and enjoy it, because it's absolutely amazing. This car is fantastic fun to drive, and I'm sure you will absolutely love it. Now, it will go to our workshop, our independent workshop, who will check this over, do a safety check. Electric cars don't really need servicing per se, but they do need safety checks of the brakes and the tyres. And some other elements, which is exactly what they'll do prior to it being handed over to yourselves. It does need an MOT in May, and we will be giving this car a new MOT for the new owner, so it will be checked over in line with the MOT specifications before you come to pick it up. Right, I'm James. If you'd like to give this car a test drive, it's james@clevercarcollection.com. You can find all the details on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. And please take a moment to check out our reviews on Autotrader and Google. We're very proud of the 5-star service we give to all of our customers, and very much look forward to giving you exactly the same treatment when you come here to give this amazing performance car a test drive. Thanks very much for watching. Hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye.